Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, Anna's phone broke down. Let's listen to her story. Oh no, my phone is dead. It's not working. I have so many things to do today. What will I do? My phone completely broke down. Yes, my phone. The small device that holds my entire life. My photos, my messages, my calendar, my world. Emma, my phone broke down. Sometimes life teaches us lessons it comes through silence, through the things we lose or the moments when something just stops working.
Can you please come to my place?
Oh no, Anna, that sounds like a nightmare. Did it just stop suddenly? We do everything with our phones, texting, checking maps, setting alarms, taking pictures, even paying bills. For weeks, it was giving me small warnings, battery problems, overheating, freezing, you name it. But I ignored all of them, thinking, I'll fix it later. Then one morning, I woke up, pressed the power button, and nothing. No light, no vibration, no screen. Just a quiet black rectangle. My to-do list was gone. I sat there staring at that dead screen, realizing how much I depended on it to live my day. Sad.
Don't panic, Anna. Let's just take it to the repair shop. Maybe it's something small and easy to fix.
It's not far. We can walk there together.
Honestly, without my phone, I already feel nervous. It's like walking without my shadow.
Then let's make this walk different. Instead of staring at a screen, let's really look around us. The morning is beautiful. Can't you feel it?
Maybe, but it feels strange. Usually I just look down at my phone when I walk. But now I'm looking up, and up feels better. The birds are singing, the air feels so nice and fresh, and I can even feel the sun on my face. This feels, so peaceful.
That's because you're finally in the real world. Maybe this walk isn't bad after all. I can smell coffee. Strong, rich, and sweet. Yes, that's fresh coffee. Can we stop for a cup? Usually, I drink coffee while checking messages. Now, I just sit, drink, and breathe. It feels different and good.
That's because you're really living in this moment. Look around. People are talking, laughing, enjoying the beautiful morning. It feels alive, doesn't it?
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi there. My phone not working.
Okay, that's the repairman. Go there.
Hi. My phone's not working. Can you please check? The screen stays black.
Okay, looks like you need a new battery. I can change it.
Oh, wow, the screen is on. My phone is alive again. Thank you so much. You know what? Today, I learned to see, to smell, to listen, to feel, to live beyond the screen. Life is so much bigger than this small piece of glass. To our listeners, maybe tonight, put your phone down for a while. Sit quietly, listen to the world, and let it talk to you. You might be surprised by what you hear. Thank you for joining us, dear friends. Wishing you a peaceful, connected day, offline and alive.